little bit smarter. Okay, so let's do 2-digit by 2-digit. Okay, so first thing we need to do is expanded form. We're going to go look at the ones period. So basically what we're going to do is we are just worried about the tens and the ones. Okay, so we're going to write this as tens and ones. Okay, oops, I'm going to mess up. I already did. Okay, so we have 80. 4 is 80 plus 4. And 27 is 20 plus 7. We have 4 digits, so we're going to draw a box right here with 4 spots. Okay, so we have 80 here, 4 here. I'm going to put the multiplication. This is actually plus. And we have 20 and 7. We're going to put plus there. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply. 8 times 2 is 16. We have 2 zeros, so it's 1,600. And then we're going to do 80 times 7, which is 8 times 7 is 56 plus that 0, so it's 560. Okay, then we're going to do 4 times 2 is 80. 4 times 20 is 80. 4 times 2 is 8 plus the 0 is 80. And then 4 times 7 is 28. So we're going to figure out now the sum of those products. Okay, we're going to figure out the sum of those products. What am I doing? Because that's not what I hit. Okay, so we're going to figure out the sum. So we're going to start with the number with the biggest value, which is 1,600. And I'm going to move this on up. And then we're going to go to the next, which is 560, because that's 3 digits. And what you see I'm doing is there's no number in the thousands place, so I'm just leaving that alone. I start with the hundreds. Okay, and these are tens, these are ones. So I got that one done. 80, so I'm going to go under the 6 because it's in the tens place. To put the 8 and 28. Okay, I lined them up. So these are all ones, these are all tens, these are hundreds, these are thousands. And I'm going to put the comma just to remind me. So then I go through and I start with the lowest, I start adding with the lowest value, which is the ones place. So 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 0 is 0, plus 8 is 8. Okay, 0 plus 6 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16. So I'm going to write that here. We're going to put the 6 down here. We're carrying the 1. Okay, 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. I'm putting that right over there. I'm going to put the 2 down there, carry the 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 84 times 27, the product is 2,268. There's another way you can do that, and that is the lattice method. So again, you're going to draw a box with and divide it into 4 equal parts. Okay, and each equal part you're going to divide on the diagonal going from the bottom left to the top right. Now, this is where I messed up last time. We're going to put 8. It's going to go like this. 8, 4, 2, 7. So instead of doing by the place value, we're just putting the numbers. Okay, so we do 8 times, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, so I'm going to put the 6 as green. There's a reason I'm doing this, okay? I'm going to put the 1 as blue. Okay, then I'm going to do 8 times 7 is 56. So I'm done with the color blue. I'm going to continue with green. So green would be the 5, and the 6 is going to be magenta. Magenta. Okay, I'm going to go back to the green. 4 times 2 is 8. I'm going to make the 0 because there's no number in the tens place. I'm going to make that green, and I'm going to make the 8 magenta. There's a reason. You'll find out in a minute. So 4 times 7 is 28. I'm going to make the 2 magenta, and I'm going to make the 8 gold. Okay, we're going to add all the gold ones together, and that's just 8. Okay, now we're going to add all the magenta ones. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. I'm going to put the 6 here. I'm going to carry that 1 over to the green. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. I'm going to carry that 1 up to here. We're back to the... Okay, well, we were done with the blue in the box, but not now. Okay, and then we have 1 plus 1 is 2. So how we read it is we go from the top left all the way to the bottom right. So then 84 times 27 is 2,268. Let's go over here. I'm going to get this. I'm going to change it to purple because I just want to. Let's see if we got the same answer. Yes, we do. Okay, I'm going to show you one final way to do this. And that's the standard algorithm. Okay. Okay, so we have, I'm going to do it with rainbow colors because I just want to. So we have 84 times 27. Okay, we're going to start with the 7, multiplying by everything by 7. So 8 times 7, 4 times, I can't speak. 4 times 8 is 28. We're going to put the 8 down here. We're going to plus 2 up here. Okay, 8 times 7 is 56. We're adding 2, so it's 58. Okay, 7 is done. I'm crossing that out. So now we have the 2. The 2 is in the tens place. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this up a little bit, and we're going to put a 0 to hold the ones place because this is the 2's in the tens place. It's actually 20. Now we're going to multiply 84 by 20. So 2 times 4 is 8. We don't need this, so I'm crossing that out. 8 times 2 is 16. Now we're going to, we found the products of 84 times 7. We found the product of 84 times 20. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add and find the sum of these two products. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. We're going to put the 6 down here. We're going to carry the 1. 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. We're going to take the 2, put it here, carry the 1. So then 1 plus 1 is 2, 2,268. Okay, let's see if we have the same numbers. We have it here. Let me get the purple. Oops, I'm going to change colors because I have a third one. I'm going to make it dark blue. So we have it here. We have it here. We have it here. Does it matter how you solve it? No, you can do the lattice method, which before I sign out, or after I sign out, I'm going to write these different methods down for you. Okay, what the names of them are, because I will have this as a graphic for you as a reference sheet. Okay, bye.